To place the handle, gently push into the dedicated hole. To dismantle, find a small object, fit in the small hole, and at the same time pull out the handle. Slot in the brush and clip the magnetic flap on the side. Use the dedicated cleaning solution. A rubber flap can be pinch open and fill the clean water tank. Insert the tank in place and press in. Same installation goes with the sewage tank. There is 2 buttons on the handle. On-off and mode selection. Tilt the vacuum to start the device vacuuming. By pressing the cycle mode, you have 3 options to choose from.
Turbo mode, auto mode.
It will notify the current clean water level if it's empty. Dirty level indication will shows how dirty the floor is. If the floor brush dirty or stuck, it will also notify the users. You can pause the vacuum mid-session by tilting upwards. To continue, just tilt down the handle. When the dirty water tank is full, it will notify. Press and push out the tank. The HEPA filter can be cleaned with water or use brush. Make sure to keep it dry afterwards before install. Pull up the top to open. All this part can be washed. You will receive a cleaning brush. The floor brush can be washed as well. Dismantle the side flap. Install the side flap after dry. The vacuum head can be cleaned only by using cloth. Please do not use any water. Once everything is dry, you can install back per usual. Now after switching off your device, it will notify to return the vacuum at the charging base. To charge the vacuum, you need to put the vacuum at the base. Cleaning function can be used once on base. It will clean the pipe, brush, and tank. Make sure to fill up the clean water tank and dilute a bit of cleaning solution before use. This process will take around 30 minutes. Hot air drying function will dry the brush and ready for next use.